I'm Reese, a designer with The Quilted Cow, and today I'm going to show you how to make the helpful Heifer Katie's Kitchen Towel. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, Mats, and Cutters, and the beautiful Wilmington Prints, the fabric I'll be using today. Let's get started. Today I'll show you how to make the helpful Heifer Katie's Kitchen Towel. This towel is super easy to make, and you can find kits for it on our website at thequiltedcow.com. Let's get started on making the Katie's Kitchen Towel. So first you're going to cut your fabrics to size, and then I'm going to press this main fabric. We're going to fold it in half, the long sides together, and then I'm going to measure 2 inches down on each side using a disappearing pen, and then I'm going to find center by folding it in half and then just making a mark where center is. Okay, now that I've found center, I'm going to draw a diagonal line from the center part down to my 2-inch line. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I'm going to repeat the process for this side. Now that I have my lines drawn, as you can see, they're triangles here. You can cut on the line, or you can stitch 1/4 inch inside of that line. I like to stitch before I cut, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now that I have stitched 1/4 inch inside of that line, just going to go ahead and give that a nice press again. Okay, now I'm just going to sew down this open side, leaving 1 inch or 2 so we can turn it right sides out. Okay, now let's turn this right sides out. I'm actually going to take my scissors and just clip the tip of that off so it lays better when we flip it right sides out. Okay, now that we have it right sides out and we gave it a nice press, I'm going to now make sure this open side is tucked in. I'm just going to give that a nice press, that way those pieces stay inside. And then I'm going to top stitch all the way around, enclosing this opening. Okay, now that I have everything top stitched, we're going to move on to adding the buttons. So first, we're going to measure 3/4 inch down from the point. Same on the other side. And then right where I made that dot, I'm just going to poke a hole through the fabric. And then I'm going to grab my button, push it through, and the stud is going to go, or the male will go on the inside of it. And we'll just snap that on. So you should see that the male part is on the inside and the flat part is on the outside. And we're going to do the same on this side. And I have this stud facing up because we're going to fold it like this. So I'm going to want to make sure the female part is on this side, and then your flat part will be the same side that your male is. So we're kind of doing the opposite of what we did before. Now that we have assembled our buttons onto our tie, we're going to lay out our towel, and we're just going to find center and fold it in half again. We're just going to find center here. I do have a darker towel, so I'm just going to use a pin. So you can see that's where my center is. Now I'm going to measure 1.5 inches down from my center. So here's my center, and this is 1.5 inches down. Now I'm going to find center on this one just by folding it in half, and then we're just going to lay it 1.5 inches down from the center. Next, I'm going to pin this in place, and then I'm going to stitch a straight line all the way down. Okay, now that I have stitched it onto the towel, as you can see, it's not coming off. So now let's fold it in half like this. And then you're gonna have it like on whatever you're hanging it on, and we're just gonna wrap these around like this. Kind of bunch up that front one. And they're just gonna snap together. Like that. And it will just hang off of your oven or wherever you would like it to hang. And that is your Katie's Kitchen Towel. Like and subscribe to watch all of our videos, and remember to check out our website for the kits and patterns at thequiltedcow.com. Thanks for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.